Thanks for watching the video, and here is Tech. So with this one that I'm going to show you, it is only for Android users. So if you use iPhone, please check in the comment section to know how you can just save data on your iPhone. So just check in the comment section for yours. But if you're new, please study the video and then let me take you through how you can just save data on your Android. Okay, so first thing I will say about saving data on WhatsApp is that if you join a lot of WhatsApp groups and then you think that those groups you don't visit them anymore, please leave the group. Just leave the group, because every message that comes through that WhatsApp group, you are deducted. Okay, so your data will be deducted per every message that comes from that particular group. So if you think that you don't check up on that particular group, okay, you can just exit. Okay, and also if you're joining this update group or community group, just exit. So far as you're not checking up, just leave, so that the message that will be coming will not reach you anymore. It's just one way that I can just save data. Another way that I can just save data is I will just take you through your WhatsApp settings and then show you this. But if you're new, please like the video and subscribe for more videos from here. And please listen up if you want to also know how you can just save data on your Android device. Okay, so every data saving settings, I've made a video for you. Check in the comment section to know more about that one. Okay, and also battery saving tips for Android, all in the comment section or the description of this video. So just check it out. After watching this video, I'll also leave it on the screen. Let's start with it. Let's go.
Just open your WhatsApp, and then at the top right corner you can see we have the three dots. Just tap on the three dots and tap on settings. Okay, look for settings and just tap on it. When you tap on it, when you come to this side, scroll down a little and look for storage and data and just tap on it. When you come to this side, media auto download. Okay, and then you can see we have the first one. Just tap on it. Okay, when you tap on it, you can see when using mobile data, when your data is on, photos will be downloaded automatically, audio will be downloaded automatically, videos will be downloaded automatically, and documents will be downloaded automatically. So if you see yours on, all of it is on, just turn it off. Okay, so that if anyone sends you a photo, video, audio, or document, it will not be downloaded automatically unless you tap on it to download it yourself, and then tap on OK at this side. And then we have when connected to Wi-Fi, you can also turn it off right here. Tap on OK. And then we have when roaming, just tap on that one too, and then turn it all off. Okay, and then tap on OK. So there's it. There's all that you will be turning off right here. After that, just subscribe and like the video and check in the comment section for more saving tips. Okay, battery saving tips or data saving tips in the comment section for Android.